hope you're ready to do some stretching and moving today. Can you see the basket in this room? The basket gives us a clue about our adventure today. It's a small basket, but it's really cute. Point to it when you find it. Where is it? That's right, here it is. It's a snowman. We're going to have a snowstorm adventure. There's something fun in the basket, and we'll take it out at the end of the video. For now, let's do some stretching to get us ready for our day out in the snow. Let's start by bringing one arm across our body and holding it with the other one. Great, now let's switch arms. Keep holding it. Great. Now we're going to spread our legs wide and reach over to one side. And now we're going to touch our nose to our knee. Now to the other side. Great! Lastly, we are going to face the side, put our arms by our ears, and lift up one leg just like this. See if you can balance and hold it. Now let's try the other leg. Let's imagine we all have our snow clothes on and we are outside in a little forest. Snow is covering the ground like a soft white blanket. First, let's make a snow angel. Have you ever done that before? I'll show you how. Do it with me. We're gonna lay down on the ground and spread our arms and legs just like this. And we're gonna close them and back open like a star. Close and open. Close and open. Great job, everybody. The trees are standing up tall and straight, but there is some wind and it's blowing the branches of the tree like this. Follow what I do. Can you hear the wind? The snow is starting to fall again. Listen to this poem as you do the movements with me. Snow is falling all around, on the trees and on the ground. Twirling, whirling from the sky, snowflakes dance and snowflakes fly. Like little feathers, soft and light, make the world a wondrous white. All right, let's make a whole pile of snowballs. Let's scoop up a handful of snow like this. Now pat it into a ball. Put it in our pile. Are you ready? Let's make 10 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, now it's time to throw them. Let's aim at that tree over there. Pick up a snowball. Ready? Go! Throw them super hard. Wow, those snowballs are going really far. Okay, good job. Now we are going to go sledding. Do you see that tall hill over there? A sled is already on top of it. Let's go climb the hill. Wow, this is a tall hill. Keep going. It's so pretty around here. The trees are covered in snow, and it's so quiet and peaceful. We made it to the top. There's a big flat rock up here. Let's see if we can balance on top of it. Do what I do. All right, there's the sled. Let's sled down the hill. Get on your sled. Ready? 1, 2, 3, here we go! We have to swerve to stay on the trail. Lean with me. Right and left. Right and left. We made it safely to the bottom of the hill. That was fast. What a fun adventure we had today. I want to show you what is in the basket. But before we do, let's do 20 things. Tap your nose, touch your toes, jump up high, paint the sky, touch the ground, spin around, round, 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 round. Lift your knee, now go to sleep. Pat your chin, hold your shin, hop around, make a sound, la 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 la, la 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 la. Take a leap, sweep and sweep, bend down low, grow and grow and grow and grow. Bend your back, pick up a sack, fold your arms and say quietly, now you have done 20 things. Now it's time to see what's in the basket. What do you think is inside of our little snowman friend? We've got a beautiful snow globe here. How pretty is that? Okay, friends, we're done. If you want, you can dance along with me as I say goodbye.
For more meaningful and kid-friendly content like this video, subscribe to our Good and Beautiful channels. We create engaging resources that teach children in wholesome and gentle ways. Learn more at our website, goodandbeautiful.com.